How does time dilation affect interstellar travel? Imagine flying through space at speeds so fast that time itself begins to behave differently. That's what happens when objects move close to the speed of light. This strange effect is called time dilation. It's a key part of Einstein's theory of special relativity. When a spaceship travels near light speed, the crew on board would experience time passing much slower than people on Earth. For example, a trip that takes 50 years from Earth's point of view might only feel like a few years for the travelers. This means astronauts could reach distant stars within their own lifetimes, even though decades or centuries pass on Earth. This effect helps solve one of the biggest problems in interstellar travel: the vast distances between stars. Most stars are many light years away, so traveling at normal speeds could take thousands of years. But with time dilation, astronauts moving at near light speeds could arrive at their destination in a much shorter time from their perspective. Meanwhile, many years would have gone by on Earth, making it seem like they traveled into the future. However, this advantage comes with some tricky issues. The travelers would need to accelerate to speeds close to the speed of light, which requires enormous amounts of energy. The spacecraft would also need to withstand intense radiation and impacts from tiny space debris at such high speeds. These impacts could be catastrophic because even tiny micrometeoroids would hit with enough force to cause serious damage. Another challenge is communication. Since signals travel at the speed of light, messages sent from the spacecraft to Earth could take years to arrive. If the crew is far away, they might not hear from Earth for a long time, and vice versa. This creates a kind of long-distance silence during the journey. Time dilation isn't only caused by speed. Gravity also plays a role. Near massive objects like black holes, time slows down dramatically. Some scientists have thought about using gravitational time dilation to jump ahead in time, but the extreme gravitational forces near black holes would likely destroy any spacecraft trying to do so. In the end, time dilation makes interstellar travel seem almost like science fiction magic. It allows travelers to experience much shorter trips, but it also creates a disconnect between them and Earth. They could return to find a world vastly changed, with communication delays making it hard to stay connected. This strange effect of physics turns interstellar journeys into a bizarre adventure where time itself bends and twists in fascinating ways. Did you know that astronauts traveling near light speed could age much slower than everyone else, effectively becoming time travelers to the future?